Man, my lips are burning. I done went out to eat with my wife. I said I'm gonna bring some of my hot sauce. I bought this Hellfire. It's fire as heck, man. For real. Y'all don't got the Hellfire, go out and get some. That stuff is on point. And then a lot of stuff I look at, when I look at hot sauce, the sodium level in it, I understand people be trying to make it taste good, but the sodium level is only 45, man. 45 milligrams per teaspoon. So they did a good job on that. I will apologize to you guys for the first video because I didn't tell you about the milligrams of sodium in there and what they do to try to make it taste good. But this Hellfire, I really think myself anybody can eat this. Go get you some of that, man. Get some. You know I pumped it already, so I'm not gonna waste time in this restaurant. I'm not even gonna say where I'm at, but I always bring hot sauce for my chicken, baby. Peace out, folks.